Hello, and this is going to be my science fair project. It's on the Newton's cradle and how it shows the law of motion that says for every reacting ball and for every action ball, there's a reaction ball. I'll show you. I'll need to have two coverings where I could show this effect. I'll just use a mouse, which is precisely at the 1 inch mark because my thumb is always 1 inch. So let's say 1 inch is about here. We'll put it right here, and then we'll put another one right about here. Okay, so let's see if it actually does precisely work. So I'll just pull this back to the 1 inch, and I'll see if it touches. I'll see if it touches this case. 3, 2, 1, go. Clearly, you could probably see that it didn't go that far, but just to make sure, I'll just give you a slow motion version of it. Hey guys, if you saw that previous video, you can clearly see that this one didn't go as far as this one. So we're going to try to see it if it goes all the way up, and we're going to see if it goes back up here, or if it just goes 98% of it. So let's do this, and see if this works. Okay, so I'm going to push it all the way. You can clearly see that it's all the way. Boom. Okay, so now you can see that it didn't really go all the way across because this reactant ball, once it hit this, it just went about right here, which is not completely up, which is probably 98% of the way. So we can clearly see that Newton's cradle does not explain completely for every action there is a reaction. And if you need a slow motion version of that, it'll be coming up just for you to see that it actually is proven correctly or not. Okay, so now we're gonna put both of these together, and we're gonna put the mouse back at the 1 inch mark, and back at the 1 inch mark again. And instead of going 1 inch but completely all the way, we're gonna go at least like up to here, so it can be proven if it's like if it goes halfway too. So I'm gonna pull it back at around here, at where my charger is at the distance. So I'm gonna pull it back. This is about half of the way from the 1 inch in here. So I'm gonna pull it back and let's see if it goes around up to here. Okay, so clearly you can see that it didn't go all the way over here because obviously when the reactant ball came up, it never touched my fingers. Okay, so the science behind this is that because gravity takes out about like 2% of it, that when it goes down, and because of potential energy, and because the energy transfer, this only goes around like halfway. That goes the same for the 1 inch because at 1 inch, if you do it and hit it, then it goes about 98% of the inch, because of the fact that the same thing as the energy transfer, because 2% of the energy transfer is transferred into these 3 balls. So that is why it only goes 98% of the way. And just to clarify, I'll put up a slow-mo version after this.